Hello friends, today I'm Anandara. Today we are going to discuss the one of the lead code challenge June challenge problem. Find all anagrams in a string. So given a string S and non-empty string P, find all start indices of P's anagram in S. So let's see what the anagram is actually is. So if there is a string called, suppose there is a string called ABC, so there are various combination in which the letters of string ABC can be arranged like BCA, CAB, PAC, CBA, ACB, ABC. So these all permutations of string ABC are called as anagram of ABC, including ABC itself. So we need to find, given a pattern of or given a string P called ABC, we need to find all the anagrams present of string P in given input string S. So basically, there are various combinations are possible. There can be another string called AAB. So possible anagrams of AAB can be ABA, BAA. Again, it can be AAB itself. So we there are various combinations of strings are possible, and string can contain multiple occurrences of same character. So we need to find out the anagram of a given pattern in an input string. So for that we need a window-based quantitative processing in which we need to first capture the number of words present in given anagram pattern and map those numbers, and then we need a data structure in which we can maintain the difference in the what we say anagram pattern and a given input string. So we we need to process the input string in a window based fashion. So this window will be equal to the length of the anagram, which is in this case 3, or in this case again 3. So we're going to process the input string in a given length of window. In that window, we're gonna check if number of characters and type of characters present in that window matches the characters present in the anagram string, the number and the type of characters present in the anagram string. If it matches, then it is a possible one of the permutation of a given anagram in that particular window, and the starting place of that window or that index in a given input another string s, we can rectify it as an anagram presence. So we need a data structure in which we can maintain a difference between the anagram pattern and the window under consideration, and maintain it as a state. Again, we should be able to process the given input string character by character in a single pass. And when processing that input string, we should be able to rectify the anagram presence in the uh, anagram presence for any given window at any time. So we need a data structure like that. So we can have one map in which we can we can persist the anagram characters and their count, and we can have one set in which we can have a differential capture, like if there is a match between the number of character present in the anagram pattern and in the window, if same character count is present, like matching is matching, then we can have that captured inside one set. So using a map and set, we can have this anagram processing as a real time state based real time state. Let's say one example in which we have an input anagram pattern as AB, and we have input string as ABAB. So we can initialize a map using anagram pattern in which A's count is 1, B's count is also 1, and like zero base, like equal, we didn't created a window yet, so we will have one empty set. We can name it as zero filter set, as empty set. Then when we consider first character of given input string, which is ABAB, we will subtract the that character count from the difference map that we are maintaining. And if that, after subtraction, if that character count becomes 0, we are going to add that character into the zero filter set. Again, after that, if zero filter set's size is not equal to map size, then anagram is not present. We can easily conclude that. Then we will move to next character, which is character B. In this, again, since we are considering B, we are going to subtract B from the anagram differential map. And since in this example B is also 1, and now B is converted, reduced to 0, B's count is reduced to 0, we are going to add the B into the zero filter set. Again, so in this time the difference map size and zero filters set size is matched, so anagram presence is detected, which is AB. This is the first anagram that we have found of pattern AB itself. Now we are going to, since AB is of length 2, so we have to consider the window of length 2 only while processing anagram. So when we shift the window to include the third character, so while doing that, we need to remove the first A. So while removing the first A, we are going to add the count back. Since while considering A at the first time, we have subtracted its count. Now we are removing that character from the window under consideration. So we are going to add back the count of that character. So in this case, the count is added back and A is removed from 0 since A's count is not 0. And again, since we are considering third character, which is again A, so we are going to again subtract A, and since A's value is 0, then we are going to add it back to the zero filter set. In this case also, the differential map and zero filter set size is matching, so anagram presence is detected. So this is occurrence of P anagram index, the one gets added to it, index set to index set. Now we are going to consider the last character of the given input string, and we are going to add it to the window. At the same time, we are going to remove the second character from the window under consideration. While removing the second character, we are going to add back the character count in the difference map and remove the B from the zero filter set. As we can see, we have removed the B. And again, while considering the last character, we have subtracted the B's count by 1. Then again B becomes 0. Now we have added back the B into the 0 set. Again, since difference map size and zero filter set size becomes equal, so it indicates the presence of anagram in a given string. So in this way, using map and set, one set, we can construct the anagram tracker and process the input string in one pass, character by character. So let's see our algorithm in action, in implementation. So there is a difference map we have created to maintain the quantitative state of difference between the anagram pattern and input string window portion. And there is a zero filter in which if the difference between the anagram and the window matches, then this set will contain the entries of that character. Now, while initializing the anagram tracker object, we are passing the anagram pattern in which we are creating the difference map, as we mentioned. And while considering the character of a given input string, we are going to subtract that character from given. If that character is present in difference map, we are going to subtract that character and put it there. If that character count becomes 0, then we are going to add that character into the zero filter, otherwise we are going to remove it. Similarly, we are going to remove character. If we are going to remove the character from window based consideration, then we are going to add back the count into the difference map. While adding back the count into the difference map, if count becomes 0, we are going to add that character into 0 filter set. Otherwise, remove that character entry from 0 filter set. For ease anagram, as I mentioned in our stepwise execution, if size of the difference map and 0 filter set size matches, then we are going to indicate as anagram is present. So in our find anagram function, we have the string s and string p. If either of the string is null or empty, we are going to return the empty result. Even in the case of if string s length is less than string p, then it is not possible to find any anagram in s, so we are going to return the result. For after these failure cases, we are going to construct an anagram tracker from an anagram pattern, as we are mentioned over here. So we are creating a difference map from anagram pattern. After creating anagram pattern, we are going to consider input string character by character, in which we are going to add character, and we are going to see we are going to keep the track of anagram length. In that anagram length, if current index is equal to or greater than anagram length, then we are going to remove the characters also from anagram trackers window that we are considering. We should be equal to the length of anagram pattern. While doing so, our processing, if window is of anagram length, the current index is greater than or equal to anagram length window, then we are going to check if current state of anagram tracker is indicating whether there is a presence of anagram or not in present window. If it is there, then we are going to add the current index as a anagram presence index, and then return the result of all those indexes as part of our problem solution. Friends, there is another problem on what we say lead code only, in which we are asked to find the permutation in the string only. So this is also the similar problem, in which we need to find a permutation of a given string into the another string. So for that, we need to do just small modification, in which if we find any anagram thing, we need to just return true, and otherwise there will be always a false. So again, there is a little bit tweak of the problem, but our algorithm still is valid in that problem statement as well. So in this way, we can solve the anagram problem in most optimum manner and get the result in most optimum manner. Please let me know your feedback, and you can find the source code and solution in the description section. Let me know your feedback, and let me know if there is